Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove objects from photos. Okay, first open up your gallery and pick the photo that you want. And let's say that from this photo I want to delete this plant. So to do it we need to click on that icon, those stars. It's basically the Galaxy AI, and select the Generative edit. And now we need to simply select the thing that we want to remove from the photo. So simply select this plant. Okay, just like that. And now click on this rubber icon. Okay, let's select it once more because something didn't want to work. Okay, and now click on Generate. Now let's wait a little bit. Okay, now we can click on Save Copy, click on Got It. And now, as you can see, this plant has been successfully removed from the photo. So that's the original one. And in here, it's the edited photo. You can also take a look that even the shadow has been successfully removed. So it works really nice. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.